After devices like the Galaxy Tab S4 and the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 that I'm currently playing with, reviews coming soon, we were wondering what was next for the company, and we're now at CES 2019. We had to step outside because the lighting in there is terrible. Samsung decided to take over with laptops, some very interesting laptops. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow with Jules Wong on camera. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Samsung Notebook 9 series. The company claims that to elevate portability and power, you need great design, and that's what this lineup stands for. Previously, we had seen the Notebook 9 Pen, which was more of a consumer product, and which now follows a lot of the design of the Galaxy Note 9 and its color approach. Blue chassis, if only the lighting would help us portray that, and the S Pen in yellow. Specifics remain the same with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of expandable storage, and an 8th generation Intel processor. Now, the new kid on the block is the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. It is a true looker, a very beautiful computer. It's got diamond-cut edges, a full metallic finish that's sharp all around. We have a 13.3-inch Full HD display that goes as bright as 350 nits. It's got a spacious and backlit keyboard and USB-C ports that support Thunderbolt 3. It also includes an 8th generation Core i7, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage expandable, and yes, there is a fingerprint scanner here. Samsung also includes an active pen for stylus support with Windows 10 Home, and there are some Samsung added applications and services to take advantage of it. Then there's the Samsung Notebook Flash, which is more their entry-level product. It includes either an Intel Celeron or an Intel Pentium processor, depending on what you pick, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, expandable through microSD. We've got USB-C and USB-A connectors, and also a fingerprint scanner for its price. Probably the coolest part is this keyboard, which reminds us of the old typewriter design, which is sort of this leather texture. Best of all, the price tag, $349. And finally, there is the Notebook Odyssey, which wasn't announced at this event. It was actually separate in the NVIDIA event because it sports a new RTX 20 series GPU, which has a Core i7, up to 1 terabyte of hard drive, in addition to a 256 gig solid state drive. We're talking about an Intel Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, in addition to USB-C and USB-A ports. This is more the gaming computer. The company even claims up to 5 heat pipes to keep everything cool. It is definitely also a looker, though not the lightest computer ever. But yeah, that was it for Samsung at CES 2019. Definitely really good laptops here. We can't wait to give them a try. Let us know what you think about them in the comments down below. While you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.